So every penny counts. Back with another video on this site, Swagbucks. The link to it will be in the description. Sign up today. You get a bonus when you sign up. So definitely sign up. I'm going to show you real quick a cash out, and I'll show you my routine on this site. Very simple. What I do on here, I go over here to answer, and I just basically go out and doing surveys. The thing about it is, like, they're going to give you lots of opportunities to make money with the surveys because there are just so many surveys on here that you can try. And the good thing about it is, even if you don't qualify for every survey, you're still going to get this qualification point. So you just see here the unlimited, well, I wouldn't say unlimited, but just so many surveys. I mean, they'll continue to add them daily. So it's like rarely that you'll run out of surveys because there's just so many on here. And like I said, even if you don't qualify for the survey, you're still going to get this qualification point. So you see here the survey 10 minutes long, 50 Swagbucks, 20 minutes, 123. Also, be sure to continue to fill out your survey profile. That's something I need to do. You have to do this kind of regularly. I would say at least once or twice a week. They'll continue to ask you questions just so they can send you the right survey. Even when you complete it, they'll still throw you more just because they find out, okay, if you're getting disqualified for surveys, must be a reason. So let me ask you some more questions so we can, throw the correct surveys at you so that you won't get disqualified. And the good thing about it is, you get paid for doing so. You see here, you're getting 2 Swagbucks for every 10 questions that they ask you, and they're easy to do, and they're really just like one answer question. So very simple to do. You see here everyday receipts. You can take pictures of your receipts. It doesn't matter how much money you spend. If you pay cash, your debit card, the way you shopped at, just take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get 2 Swagbucks. You have to actually do that on the app. They have a app that you can download for iPhone, Android, doesn't matter which one. Definitely download that, and that's where you can take pictures of your receipts and submit it, and it'll go into your account. So just make sure you have the regular account. You have to, like I said, sign up with the link in the description. Create your account on the on your laptop or your tablet or computer, whatever it is, and then go and create your download the app on your phone and do your login in there. That way your points can go to your real account and all that kind of good stuff. So just make sure that's all in line with each other. They have a daily poll that you can answer. You'll get 1 Swagbuck for doing that. I'm just gonna do that real quick. What's your favorite type of spread on butter? You can I just put jam. Just doesn't matter what you put. It's a daily poll. It's 1 cent for doing this, and you just go down to vote and earn 1 Swagbuck. You see my balance will go up. I got 12.39. Click on vote and earn 1 Swagbuck. So now I got 12.40. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it's about. Just quick question. The daily goal they always have, you earn 117 Swagbucks, you'll get 7 Swagbucks. So far this morning I've earned 33. So I got a little ways to go, but I'm gonna do some more surveys and things like that. So that's mainly what I do. They do have offer walls that you can make money with as well, but most of your money will go into the with the surveys. But just to take a look at the offer walls that they have, you kind of scroll down here, you'll see more of the offer walls. You see here revenue universe, ad gate, media, ad gem, offer Turo, things like that. Just play around with it, just making money with the offers. Also, you can get paid to search at the top. You just search a word, or if you have to search on a computer, which a lot of people do, you can get paid to do it here. It might not happen in your first search or your 5th search. You kind of have to just keep doing it. Usually sometimes it might take like 10 to 15 searches, but just keep searching just random stuff until you get credited. You can get credited on that once, maybe twice a day. But you can definitely get paid to search. Just make sure you always go through and do your search. That's easy points in doing that. And I mean, that's basically, the gist of what I do on here. They also have, you can get paid to shop at different places, in-store deals here. Of a place that you go to, you can go to some of these stores and get cash back offers, things like that. I'm just kind of wait for it to load real quick. Things like these, they'll show you. And if you go to these stores and you purchase these products, then you can get the Swagbucks for doing it. So like, say for instance, I need Claritin. If I buy these Claritin, I'll get 300 Swagbucks. So that's basically $3. So that's a good deal. You just take a picture of your receipt just like you will, and that's how you basically show that you got proof that you paid for it, and add to your balance. Very, very easy to do. So like I said, I'm going to cash out. I'm gonna go over here to rewards real quick. I had $12.40. I'm gonna probably just cash out $10 because I want to leave. I like to leave, you know, a little bit of money in my account for my next cash out. They have plenty of rewards you can choose from. They have Amazon, PayPal, lots of different restaurants that you can choose from, different grocery stores, you know, hardware stores, anything you can think of is pretty much on here. And you can cash out at, you know, minimum. Like they have gift cards you can look at, 1 to 5 gift cards at a $10, $15, $25. Just take a look at that, the 1 to 5, because I know that's a lot of people are interested in. You see here, Amazon, $3 gift card, PayPal, $5. You know what I'm saying? You can get a $1 gift card with Amazon. You know, so there's a lot of things you can get. But like I said, I'm going to try something else. You can see here they have Walmart, you know, iTunes, Target, all that kind of good stuff. So it's definitely something in here that you can find. But I'm actually going to go right back to the reward store. And I'm going to go to the on sale rewards because this is an interesting feature that I think they incorporate well on. You see here, different gift cards you can get a discount on. You know, right here, I can get a $25 Visa gift card. Just give them $21.75 Swagbucks. This Visa gift card is $10. I'm going to actually give them 990 Swagbucks. That's what I'm actually going to cash out on. And you see here, if you just scroll down, you'll see the many different gift cards that they have that are discounted. So, I mean, just for me personally, I like to do the discounted reward just because you just get more for your money, honestly. But, you know, of course, you can do the PayPal, the Amazon, or anything. It just really depends on you. So I'm going to click on this $10 gift card right here. And it's going to just give me some information to look at. Claim the gift card. When I claim the gift card, my address and all that stuff is going to pop up. So I'm going to put the screen down. My address pops up. It's just basically to confirm your identity. Even though they don't need my address, it's just something that they want to do. But I'll just click continue, just showing you that it's there. And just like that, my gift card is on its way. I do have to verify it. I can verify it on my email or do a security question. So, I mean, you just verify it and then, you know, they'll get it sent to you within the next couple of days. So I just wanted to show you guys that very easy site to make money on. You see here, my balance went down to $12.50. So, I mean, not $12.50, $2.50. So I had $2.50 in my account. That's 250 Swagbucks. So a lot of different opportunities you can have on this site, you know, making money, taking surveys, doing offers, getting paid to search. You know, you can watch videos as well. You know, if you go over here to the watch section, there's videos that you can watch. You can also watch videos on the app. So there's lots of opportunity to make money with this site. So I highly encourage you to sign up with it. Like I said, the link is in the description. Get it started today. And always remember, every penny counts.